Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope all of you fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher of National Ideal English University School. Today I would like to take a computer class for class 2 students. Dear students, our topic chapter 8 short question number 2 and 3. So let's start our class. So dear students, short question number 2. What is address? What is address? Our answer, each computer in a network is recognized by a name. This name is known as its address. I repeat, what is address? Answer, each computer in a network is recognized by a name. This name is known as its address. Or question number 3, how to get connect network on computer? As answer, to get connect to a network computer, you have to type the address of that computer, such as click start button. Number 2, click Internet Explorer. Number 3, type the address of the computer. Number 4, strike the enter keys. I repeat this question and answer again. How to get connect network on computer? To get connect to a network computer, you have to type the address of that computer, such as click start button. Here are, look at your book, here are a start button, a start symbol of the start button, and click Internet Explorer, the symbol of Internet Explorer. Number 3, type the address of the computer. Here are address bar, here address bar, and strike the enter key. Then you will be now connect the your address. So dear students, your homework will be question number 3 and homework number 8. Question short question 3. Short question 3. How to get connect network on computer. For short question number 3 and your homework number 8. So dear students, learn at your home and practice and do your homework properly. Stay home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.